6 low-carb pizza crusts that will help you lose weight. Number 1. Egg White Crust. There are simple recipes and then there are super simple recipes, like this low-carb pizza crust from Greater Health. It combines egg whites and seasonings and that's it. Even though the recipe doesn't contain much, this crust still packs a nutritional punch. Eggs are considered the gold standard for high-quality protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids, Upton says. They are one of the most nutrient-rich foods you can eat. Nutrition facts: per serving, 166 calories, 0 grams carbs, 33 grams protein, 0 grams fat. Number 2. Sweet Potato Crust. This recipe from the big man's world is pretty simple. Just combine mashed sweet potatoes, coconut flour, tapioca starch, and some spices to get a crunchy crust. Sweet potatoes are rich in a bunch of nutrients like vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as potassium and fiber, Upton says, making this a good subs for your standard crust. Nutrition facts: per serving, 96 calories, 18 grams carbohydrates, 1.5 grams protein, 2 grams fat. Number 3. Carb Balanced Tortilla. Tortilla pizzas have been around for ages, but unfortunately, tortillas are still packed with carbs. That's why Keto's shrinking mom opts for a Mission Fajita Carb Balanced whole wheat tortilla, which only has 3 grams of net carbs, total carbs minus fiber, per serving, and that's way under the 20 to 25 grams Upton says you can spare for low-carb pizza. Nutrition facts: per serving, 80 calories, 13 grams carbohydrates, 3 grams protein, 2 grams fat. Number 4. 2-ingredient Flourless Flatbread. Here's another option, from the big man's world, that combines gluten-free rolled oats, milk, and spices. Oats are a superfood for your health, Upton says. They help with weight management and can lower the LDL or lousy cholesterol. Plus, she adds, they're filling, so you'll feel pretty satisfied after a slice or two. Nutrition facts: per serving, 132 calories, 21 grams carbohydrates, 5.5 grams protein, 3.5 grams fat. Number 5. High-fat almond flour crust. Instagrammer Zero Miss Alexandra Zero swears that this fathead low-carb crust, translation, great for keto dieters, is amazing. To make it, just combine almond flour, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, egg, and seasonings. Almond flour is great, as almonds are a heart-healthy nut, Upton says. Nutrition facts: per serving, 203 calories, 4 grams carbohydrates, 11 grams protein, 17 grams fat. Number 6. Cauliflower Crust. Cauliflower crust is considered the gold standard for low-carb pizza, and this recipe from YouTuber The Domestic Geek is the best of the best. It combines finely chopped cauliflower, mozzarella cheese, parmesan cheese, and egg for a crispy, yummy low-carb crust. The cauliflower itself is the big perk here, Upton says. Cauliflower is a veggie that has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties and it is low in calories and filling, she says. Per serving, 77 calories, 4.5 grams carbohydrates, 7 grams protein, 4.5 grams fat.